Hello everyone, this is Programming for Analytics Group Project, Group 6, from George Washington University. Our topic is Yelp Dataset Analytics. We obtained our data from Yelp Dataset website. The dataset contains 4 million records of reviews, 1 million records of tips. We also have data of business which include check-in and photo, and user information. Our analysis was done in 3 parts: stars, users and reviews. We start with a descriptive analysis on business stars, because this is the most important information people seek from Yelp. Our expectation is to distinguish the most important features that might have an impact on the star of a business, and try to decipher the formula behind business stars. Furthermore, in practice, it can help analyze unique feature in different states for business owners. Part 2, Users. We identified influential users who may influence general public's attitude, and built a model to find out what may impact a user's average review given to businesses. We define influential users as those who are Yelp elite for at least once and whose number of fans are in the upper 40% percentile, which resulted in a list of 22,586 users. Finally, analysis on reviews. We extract reviews from influential users identified in the previous part, count word frequency, and find out the qualities that users care most for a business in different states. In our descriptive analysis on stars, we first compared the actual star rating of each business to the average star rating aggregated based on all reviews. From the graph on the left we can see that the line representing star rating given by Yelp almost coincide with the average star from all reviews written for that business. So it is safe to conclude that star rating by Yelp is generated from ratings given by users. Our second step is to identify correlations. Stars in review count has a correlation of 0.0198, so we conclude that stars in review count for a business are independent. Third, we studied difference in star rating based on location. We calculated average star rating for 8 states where number of business is greater than 200. As you can see from the graph in the right, average stars range from 3.51 in Illinois to 3.73 in Arizona. We then move on to our analysis on users. We first performed some data cleaning and transformation, and identified 22,586 influential users based on our standard, which is being Yelp elite for at least 1 year and having number of fans in the upper 40% percentile. We then conducted a linear regression of average review stars given by an influential user on other user information to find the correlation between these information. The average review star is positively related with number of fans and compliments, but negatively with number of elite reviewed and comments. The regression result does show some interesting pattern. The relationship between fans and average stars is positive, compared with the negative relationship between elite and average stars, demonstrating that fans and elites are 2 variables that should be considered separately. In fact, the assessment of official Yelp elite is sometimes criticized among public, therefore the number of elite cannot be the only standard to define influential users. Now we reach the third part of our analysis on user reviews. We filtered reviews by location, only consider businesses in the top 8 states where number of businesses more than 200. Also, we only consider 5-star reviews given by influential users identified in the previous part, which are more reliable and with positive attitudes. As we further our analysis on review, we specified 5 words, which are price, clean, service, location and flavor, representing positive factors from 5-star reviews given to businesses. We did a frequency ranking for these words. Among the 8 states that we conducted our analysis on, each state has its own most valued factor, as you can see from the map. South Carolina, Illinois, North Carolina, Ohio and Pennsylvania users are most sensitive to price. Nevada and Wisconsin users are more sensitive to flavors, and Arizona users are more sensitive to service. We also did a word cloud for the most frequently used words and positive reviews for each of the 8 states. We faced some challenges and difficulties while completing this project. First of all, the file was big and it took us very long to read the data files into Python. Also, research upfront was time-consuming. We spent a lot of effort before finalizing our analysis topic. What's more, location of business were too concentrated. We found that only 8 states have enough amount of data records to analyze on, and within those 8 states, the majority of data were collected from 1 or 2 big cities. Last but not least, some longitude or latitude data for businesses are not accurate, which is the reason that we gave up making a more detailed map of business allocation. This is the end of our Yelp data analysis project. Thank you for watching.